Hello everyone, welcome to Provide the Solution given this amazing Math Olympiad problem, which is negative x squared. This is equal to x to power negative 2. So what is the value of x? Solution. Now we have negative x to power 2. This is equal to x to power negative 2. Now we can express this x to power negative 2 in fraction form. Given, for instance, given a to power negative 1, this is the same thing as 1 over a. So applying this property, we'll have negative x squared. This is equal to 1 divided by x to power 2. So let's multiply both signs by x to power 2, x to power 2, so that now you will have x to power 2 multiplying by negative x to power 2. Okay, this is equal to 1. So we divide both signs by negative 1, so that here we'll have x to power 2 times x to power 2. This is x to power 4, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, so here we have x to power 4. This is equal to negative 1. Okay, so actually these are complex roots of unity problem. Okay, so x to power 4, this is a complex root of unity problem, and you find that the solutions to these equations are the fourth roots. Okay, these are the fourth roots of negative 1. Okay, so the first thing to do here, let's express negative 1 in polar form. Okay, so let's express negative 1 in polar form. We are expressing negative 1 in polar form, so that now negative 1, this is equal to, this is cos pi plus I sine pi, which we can just express as cosine I sine pi. Now from here, we can be able to calculate the values of x. Remember, we have the values of x here. They are the fourth root of this polar form of negative 1. Now let's solve for the value of x. So this means that x is equal to the cosine I sine, which we can express as pi plus 2k pi divided by 4 for the values of k from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so these are four roots. So let's solve for the values. Now let's solve for the values of x, given that x is equal to cosine I sine, which is pi plus 2k pi divided by 4. K, these are the values which start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So when k is equal to 0, then the value of x, which is actually equal to cosine I sine, which is actually pi plus 2 multiplying by 0 multiplying by pi divided by 4. So this is basically equal to cosine I sine pi divided by 4. Okay, which we can express basically as cos pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. Okay, and this we can be able to express as, this is actually square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2i. Okay, so this is the value of x, the first value of x, given that k is equal to 0. Now let's given that k is equal to 1, then this means that cosine I sine, this one actually will be equal to 3 pi divided by 4, which is actually equal to, this is basically negative square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2i. Okay, so this is the value of x when k is equal to 1. So when k is equal to 1, cosine ascending is 3 pi over 4, which is negative square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2i. So when k is basically equal to 2, then that's now when k is equal to 2, cosine I sine 5 pi over 4. This is the same thing as, this is negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay? Subtract negative 2 square root of 2 divided by 2i. Okay? So this is when k is equal to 2. When k is equal to 3, then you find that cosine I sine, which is 7 pi over 4, this is basically equal to square root of 2 divided by 2, subtract square root of 2 divided by 2i. Okay? So basically here, our final solution for negative x squared, which is equal to x to power negative 2, this essentially is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus or minus square root of 2 divided by 2i. Okay? So this is the solution to our algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.